Hi everybody, hope you're all well. Well, the kids are back at school, yay! So I thought, well, it'd be lovely to make them lemonade scones. And when I made lemonade bread, a lot of you said, oh, you should try lemonade scones. And I thought, you know what, that's a lovely Friday treat for the boys after the first week back. And I'm going to do that in the Cosori mini oven. But if you had another air fryer, the temperatures and times would be roughly the same. Especially times, just keep an eye. The recipe is like a guide on times, especially because, you know, so you just always check, and maybe you might need to flip if it's depending on what type of air fryer you have. But I'm going to be doing it in this Cosori mini oven. But if you had a Tefal air fryer, the results should be pretty similar. Yeah. Lemonade scones. I mean, and this time I actually have just a normal not diet, because I think the results are meant to be different. So this is just I just grabbed this from my local corner shop. So yeah, I've got a 59p. That not bad. Cost breakdown actually will be at the end, just so you get an idea of how much it might cost to make your own. Most of it's bought from Lidl, apart from the lemonade. So yeah. Let's come and have a look at the ingredients. So the ingredients list will rise up here, but there's actually, in this particular one, there is double cream. That I'm just following a recipe. I think Greek yogurt would work just as well if you didn't want to use double cream. Beaten egg for the tops, caster sugar, self-raising flour. There is 1 tablespoon of baking powder in this, and that is what the recipe has stipulated. And when people commented on it, they confirmed it was 1 tablespoon. Seems a lot, but I'm just following a recipe. So let's crack on and get these scones made. Can't wait. See you in a bit. Add the flour and the baking powder. Add the sugar. Just mix thoroughly. And then start adding the cream, followed by the lemonade. Sheet. I might change it to this. Just knead it gently. I don't want to overwork it. It feels very light. I'm using this food grade plastic to roll out. This is a cereal packet that you can clean. It saves you using baking parchment paper or whatever. It's still a bit sticky because I did make an error. I think I went a bit large with the lemonade when I should have only added 120 ml, the same amount as the double cream. But yeah, I'm just sort of liberally putting, you know, flour on. So I'm just going to cut these out. This will go on the bottom of the tray, so you kind of flip them. Probably helps them not stick. Oops. Yeah, so if you didn't go large with your lemonade, the dough will probably be less sticky. But and 2 centimetre thickness. So I'm just sort of doing it by eye. And I don't want them touching as well. This could be a rough one. I did cut the dough in half in order for it to fit on this cereal packet food. You know, it acts really well. I've done short crust pastry with this as well when you want to roll it out. Especially when you do two, you know, you sort of sandwich the pastry. Well, that'll do. And then I've got the second one because I cut it in half, like I said. I'll just put a bit more of this flour to compensate. 2 centimetres thickness. And pop the floured on the surface like that. I think I can fit 6. I don't know, I'm going to try and fit more. Another rough one. Something the kids would love to do, I reckon. Grandkids, kids. I can't wait to taste it. Right. I did kind of manage to fit 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. Brilliant. Oh, and I've got to brush the tops with the beaten egg. So yeah, let's crack on. I'm going to tidy up, in fact, before I do that. See you in a bit. So I'm just going to brush the tops. I'm going to try not let them drip down the sides. Right, let's get these in the Cosori mini oven. Okay, we'll actually forget about preheat, but we are going to preheat anyway, so let's get it to the temperature we want it. Right, so I'm just going to let that, oh yeah, because it tells me to add food. I'm forgetting how this works. That's great. So I will see, I'll probably have to adjust the minutes though, just noting that. This is the second time I've used it since putting a whole turkey in this air fryer, so I'm enjoying the playing with it. So I'll see you in a bit when it's time to put the scones in. Okay, it's telling me to add. Ooh, I have floured the tray. And I'm actually going to put it at 180 for 10 minutes. There's a light. Yeah, 180. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit. I can't remember. I'll put it up here. And we're going to watch this, see what happens on time lapse. See you in a bit. Okay, so they're looking fantastic. I mean, they're a bit squashed, but I fitted 8 in, so I'm pretty pleased with that. That's all right. We're going to get them out now because they're literally about to end. Can use my new silicone gloves, etc. that I got for Christmas. Thank you to my daughter for that. I absolutely love them. Right, they look all right. Let's have a see if we can see what's on. Oh yes, that's fantastic. Yeah, really good. Right, we're going to leave them to cool. I'm going to make a cup of tea. Get the sort of extras ready. The boys are waiting. They're looking forward to this. And yeah, see you in a bit. Ooh, ooh. Don't they look delicious? Yummy. Yeah, right, well, let's crack one open. They're still a bit warm. I've got some whipped cream that I kind of, with the rest of the double cream that was there. Let's just cut one open, see what it's like inside. I can't see, I need my glasses. Oh, not bad. Still a bit steamy. Right, one bite, everyone knows the rules. Are you jam first or cream first? Yeah. Right, this is my taste test. Delicious. I want to have one taste without any adornment, so I can try and see if I can taste the lemonade. I don't think I can taste it, but they taste lovely. And I mean, yeah, I would definitely do these again. They are so quick and easy, and they turned out lovely in the mini oven. Yeah, these are look how big they are. I mean, they actually are quite enormous. That's me. You could probably make them smaller and have a bigger batch. These would freeze for 3 months in the freezer, and probably stored for, I don't know, 3 days to 7 in an airtight container. Yeah, delicious. Oh, I've got my cup of tea. Oh, I need a slurp after that. Cheers, everybody. All right, well, I'm going to let the boys know they can come and have scones with and help themselves to cream and jam. Oh, delicious, absolutely delicious, and turned out fantastic. I'm very happy. Thanks everybody for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.